The use of global resources has more than tripled since 1980. With a growing global population, the equivalent of 3 planets could be required to provide the natural resources needed to sustain current lifestyles in 2050. It is essential that industries join forces to limit the use of natural resources and improve efficiency. In Denmark, we have a strong tradition for public-private partnerships. An example of this is industrial symbiosis. Here, a partnership between 2 or more companies allows them to provide, share and reuse resources, such as materials, energy, byproducts and knowledge. Today we are visiting Industrial Symbiosis North, located in northern Denmark. In 2010, a collaboration between research, utilities companies, municipalities, private actors and a regional port of authority emerged. Since then, a further development of symbiosis between smaller companies in the area has led to benefits for the wider industrial area. Have a look around to see the current streams of resource sharing between the companies. There are more than 25 streams. Some of the benefits of an industrial symbiosis include reduction of waste disposal costs, less material purchasing cost, and income through innovation. In front of you, you can see a highlighted area. We will now take a closer look at this linkage. Here we are at the local limestone lake, which is rich in calcium carbonate, and this is where the lake gets its crystal blue color from. When looking at this area, it may not be obvious that this lake is an integral part of one of the largest industrial symbioses in Denmark. Since 1889, limestone has been used in the production of cement at Aalborg, Portland. If you look straight ahead, you can see the limestone being extracted. Once the limestone has been used in the production, a limestone slurry is produced. This is used in the cleaning of exhaust gases at the local power plant. Afterwards, the limestone is turned into gypsum plaster, which is then sent back to Aalborg, Portland and is used in the production of cement. Recently, the limestone lake has become a part of another symbiosis, and thus is now used for the cooling of a new hospital in the area. Let's now take a closer look at Aalborg, Portland. If you look to your left, you can see the limestone that has been extracted from the lake, ready to use in the production. Besides reusing the limestone slurry from the production of cement, Aalborg, Portland also engages with Aalborg Utility. Currently, the cement producer delivers excess heat to the utility supplier, which secures district heating for 30,000 households in the local area. This is expected to increase to 50,000 households. The symbiosis is constantly developing as the industries discover innovative ways to further their partnerships. However, it is not just large companies that benefit from engaging in symbioses. Let's visit a smaller company whose collaboration with nearby companies has become an integral part of its business model. The manufacturing companies in the area have for years sent their wastewater with oil residues for treatment in other parts of the country, resulting in hundreds of heavy vehicles on the road. Kingo Recycling developed a solution to be able to locally handle this issue. Trucks from the area drop off wastewater here. The wastewater is then transported to their machinery, which separates oil residues from water. If you look to your left, you can see the large chunks of oil and other residue waste, like heavy metals and sulfur, on the conveyor. This is the first step in the cleaning process, where the oil and water will lastly be fully separated and ready to reuse. The symbiosis is a great example on how resource sharing of local companies can create new business opportunities and reduce the use of energy, water, and materials. An integral part of Industrial Symbiosis North is Aalborg University. Let's have Professor Lona Kernu tell us more about the university's role.
By collaborating with business, local authority, utilities, and not at least the Port of Aalborg, the university has played an active role in facilitating green business development through industrial symbiosis. We bring in the newest knowledge about environmental impacts and about technological opportunities as an inspiration for new symbiosis to emerge in the area. Further, we also often support the companies with a sustainability check, so they are certain that the Symbioses are leading to more sustainable solutions. This partnering is also fully aligned with the strategy of the university, being mission-driven, supporting and helping society to deliver against the Sustainable Development Goals.
With Denmark's ambitious climate goal of being climate neutral by 2050, it is imperative that the industry joins forces and creates a circular economy. Industrial symbiosis provides a great example of how collaboration and innovation between companies can contribute to accelerating the green transition. I'll leave you here to enjoy the view. Thank you for watching.